Welcome to our lesson on the 30-60-90 triangle. In this video, you will learn how this special right triangle is derived from an equilateral triangle. Let's start with the equilateral triangle. It's a triangle where all three sides are equal in length and all three internal angles are equal to 60 degrees. When we draw a line from one corner of the equilateral triangle to the midpoint of the opposite side, we bisect it. This action splits the equilateral triangle into two identical smaller triangles. Each new triangle has a right angle of 90 degrees. The angle at the bottom remains 60 degrees. The top 60-degree angle of the equilateral triangle is split in half, creating a 30-degree angle. To understand the side lengths, let's assume the original equilateral triangle had sides of length 2. When we bisect it, the base is split in half. This means the shortest side of our new triangle has a length of 1. We can find the length of the third side using the Pythagorean theorem, which is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. 1 squared plus b squared equals 2 squared. This simplifies to 1 plus b squared equals 4. So, b squared is 3, and the length of the missing side is the square root of 3. This gives us the famous ratios for a 30-60-90 triangle. If the side opposite the 30-degree angle is x, then the hypotenuse, opposite the 90-degree angle, is 2x the longer leg. Opposite the 60-degree angle is x times the square root of 3. Let's try an example. If the shortest side x is 5, what are the other side lengths? The hypotenuse is 2 times 5, which is 10. The longer leg is 5 times the square root of 3. To summarize, a 30-60-90 triangle is exactly half of an equilateral triangle. Its angles are 30, 60, and 90 degrees. The sides always follow the ratio of x times the square root of 3, and 2x, making it easy to find the lengths of the sides if you know just one.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.